So I am Mary.
I'm Aidan.
Last time we were in this kitchen, we made the fried pickle hot diggity dog hot dogs. And we think that it went pretty well, that we're back again to try and make the gray stuff. Earlier in May, Disney released the recipe for the famous gray stuff. So we thought we would try it. The first time we attempted this did not go quite as well, and we made soup rather than Oreo mousse. We got a little excited and used most stuff Oreos and yeah, that's when it's like the chunky ones.
Most stuff? I've never heard of most stuff Oreos.
Most?
I've heard of mega.
Most.
Oh, I thought you said mo, like M-O stuff. It's like, what? Okay, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, we used most stuff Oreos, and we think that the ratio of sugar messed up and ended up making it not a great consistency. So we're back with regular Oreos this time in hopes that it works.
Ha!
So let's give it a try. First, we are going to mix the milk and now 1 package of vanilla pudding. You want to mix this until there are no more lumps.
I need a whisk.
No.
Oh,
If
whisk
you want.
it. Until what, smooth?
Yeah, no lumps. Use your wrist. Go like.
I am resting. I don't see any lumps.
Yay! Next, we're going to go over to the food processor. Now, we are going to puree 15 Oreos. 1,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
16,
No.
15.
Oreo.
Is it pulsed?
It's pulsed.
Have some pudding?
No. Next, you're going to add your Oreo puree to your pudding. You're going to stir till combined. Do you want to stir it?
Washing my hands right now, but maybe.
That
Depends on the occasion. Yeah, you got it.
Thanks. Oh yeah, we definitely did this wrong last time. It was not this consistency. It was liquid, like dirt in a cup. I love dirt in a cup. We should make some dirt in a cup. Now we are going to add a tablespoon of chocolate pudding mix and our Cool Whip.
How much?
All of it.
Wow. Squeeze it.
Now you're going to fold together the Oreo mixture and the Cool Whip so that all the air stays in. To do this, you're going to go from the middle and out. See, now it's gray because black and
white.
black
It has white.
and white make gray.
Not
Black and white make gray.
No.
What do you mean not always? That's how the color
usually
is.
it's just black.
No, that's how color
Gray is made when a bunch of colors are just mixed together.
No, that's brown.
No.
Yeah. That's brown.
I don't think so.
Make sure you get all the Cool Whip out or mixed together. I've given up
Some right
folding.
here. I think it's good. Tastes good.
That's good. Now you're going to put it in the fridge not cool.
Yep.
You're gonna cool. Yeah. Now you're gonna put it in the fridge to chill and set for a few minutes.
Minutes?
So our gray stuff is nice and chilled, and we're ready to decorate.
Decorate.
Yeah.
It's a word.
Yeah, it is. We're going to decorate 2 dessert options today. We have double chocolate chunk cookies, and we bought a no-bake Oreo pie crust. So we're gonna decorate some cookies, and we're also gonna put the rest of the gray stuff into the pie crust. And we're gonna put the rest of the gray stuff into this pie crust. We're just gonna put a little dollop on. So, make it look all pretty. Can you... How did half of those mix?
No.
Yeah.
No. Not my eyes. They all made
You're
it.
blind.
They're
You're
all-
blind.
they're
You're
all good in their
blind.
own way.
Open your mouth.
Right here. Lefty. 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 I am the one to bing the bong.
Oh,
What if you had multiple mousse cake things? Would you call them meese?
I have mousse cake.
Meese cake?
Mousse cake.
Meese cake?
Mousse cake.
Mises?
No. So you want to make sure that you have a nice, smooth. You want to make sure you have a nice, smooth top. Now Aiden's gonna garnish this.
Doing what all those dads do with their snacks, is shake them up. They like eat nuts or something. Like shake them up. Oh, yeah, you do that. That's right.
Now that Aidan has decorated this, we're gonna put it in the fridge for a few more minutes. No. We're gonna put it in the fridge for a few more minutes to cool or chill. So it is indeed delicious. The gray stuff, like at Disney World, it is Oreo, light, fluffy mousse. The sugar crystals, I think ours are different. The ones at Disney crunch easier, and these ones are more hard, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
But overall, I think it is very good and very similar to the one at Disney World. So,
It tastes like gray stuff.
with that, we invite you to set your imaginations free. Bye!